Hello friends, you're watching the Defensa Info news channel. French President Emmanuel Macron proposed replacing American defense systems with European alternatives. In an interview with Le Parisien, the French leader stated, those buying Patriot system should be offered the new generation Franco-Italian SMT air defense system. Those buying F-35s should be offered Rafale. On March 14, Macron gathered key French defense manufacturers at the Élysée Palace. Among the invited were major defense companies Safran, Thales Naval Group, Dassault, and KNDS, along with representatives from 4,000 small and medium-sized defense enterprises. French Industry Minister Marc Ferracci emphasized that the government aims to increase defense production with the help of manufacturers. Portuguese Defense Minister Nuno Melo stated that the country will not purchase F-35s due to the unpredictability of US policy and the current geopolitical situation. He highlighted that Portugal is considering European combat aircraft as alternatives. Canada is also evaluating its F-35 purchase amid strained relations with the US. Despite having already paid for 16 aircraft, the Canadian government is exploring alternatives and preparing for negotiations with other manufacturers.